A 31 millimeter Rolex President Datejust. This is an 18 karat white gold piece, something that we're all pretty familiar with, but this one has a few unique features that I'd like to talk about. Well, let's talk about the staples, right? This is going to be 18 karat solid white gold. That's going to be the case, the bracelet, the clasp. Of course, it does have the hidden clasp that we appreciate on the Rolex President line, as well as you'll find white gold in the hands, as well as the setting for all of the diamonds in the bezel and on the dial. Now, what really separates this watch and makes it unique is going to be the dial itself. That is a meteorite dial. I'm not sure what the proper term that scientists that study space would consider it, but this is from an asteroid or a meteorite that crashed onto our planet, and this is a chunk of it that has been filed down, shaved. It's a very thin dial, but it did actually come from that material that fell from outer space. Come check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com. The stock number is 33518.